Guys, I'm drying my hair today with Dyson Air Styler, and I'm going to use 1, 2, 3, 4 attachments to show you how they're best used, and the other attachments are basically the same, very similar. Okay, so before I start, I will use some heat protector. And I'm going to use some root lift spray. I'm going to use label M, and it's called Volume Mousse. So we're going to take these through section by section. Either side and the back. Massage that in. I'm going to take a lot of the water out of my hair first. I'm just going to use this one. So turn it on, feel where the air is coming out. That's just going to take a little bit of the water out of our hair so we don't get achy arms and it doesn't take forever to dry. So to remove that, you just press this little button at the back and that comes off. Next I'm going to do my fringe, bangs fringe, because if it dries flat, I won't like it. So just bear with.
Just like you're young again, no, don't you cry, just get back up again.
Okay, so remember to remove, press the button. You also have heat here, so you can have cool is the bottom, medium and then hot. I'm going to attach this one next, and this is going to give me root lift. But I'm not going to use it to dry right the way through. I'm just going to do it on the roots and the middle ends. And I'm going to leave the ends damp. So just pop this one in. So we're going to lift, so we get lots of root lift. But we're not. See how that's lifted, but we're not going to take it right down to these ends, so we're lifting from there to the middle ends of this section here. Next section. Again, we're going to lift at the root right the way through the middle ends and leave the ends. That body. Leave a little section at the top. Now this top section, I'm going to dry forwards and backwards. lots of lovely root lift there. Okay, so we're going to change to the large barrel. So you get two of these, you get a smaller barrel and a larger barrel. And on the top of here you've got two little arrows, points either direction. And I'll show you what those are for. So I'm going to turn the heat up to hot. So it's on hot. And take a smaller section of hair. Now, depending on which way the arrow is, we'll find out. So the arrow is in the right direction. If we turn that arrow, it'll blow the hair away. It's for that side. So one's for the right, one's for the left. If you want your curls to last, if you keep the barrel on for 10 seconds and then give it a blast of cold for 10 seconds. Turn it off before you pull out, and it leaves a lovely little barrel curl there. So you want to turn to the arrow, the opposite direction for the opposite side. Put a little bit of hairspray on those. Then bring your next section down. Remember to turn back for this side. Twist. Leave a little section at the top.
Hey now, honey, I've been driving around in my car, looking for some kind of open bar. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Got no money, but I'll work it out with my charm. Having a good time, ain't doing no harm. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Hey now, honey, I've been driving around in my car, looking for some kind of open bar. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Got no money, but I'll work it out with my charm. Having a good time, ain't doing no harm. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright.
And you've got lots of body. I don't like my curls too tight. I like a nice bouncy look. And that's it. So I hope you took something from this video, because when I bought this originally I couldn't find one video that showed me how to use all of the tools. However, I love the Dyson Airwrap. This root lift here will stay in for at least 3-4 days, so it's really worth buying. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember, if you liked it, please click subscribe and ring the bell for more notifications, and I will see you soon.